Today I will show you how to embed PDF file in Outlook, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, what we want to do is we want to go to where it says new email. We click on that, and now we have the option to send our new email. Now you're going to ensure that you've filled the email of the receiver, the subject that you want to send, and the body. Now it's very important to understand that Outlook does not have a built-in feature to embed PDF. So what you can do is you can convert the PDF file to images, and once you're done converting them to images, now we're going to add the PDF file as images to the email. And regardless of the number of pages of the PDF, you're going to convert all the pages to images. So it's either in the JPG or PNG format, and then you can attach that to the email. And this is how you attach that to the email. You're going to come to insert, you're going to come to pictures, you're going to choose the PDF that you converted to an image, which is the picture of it. You're going to click on it, and it doesn't matter the number of pages, it's going to attach like a PDF, and it will be embedded into your email. Now that's how you embed PDF file in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.